What the fuck? Oh. What the fuck?
Oh, happy day. You need something else. Quit moving. Stop moving. Stop it.
Where's the fan balls? Oh!
Oh, this is uncle.
What the? Holy.
It's gonna whine. It's gonna whine back up and just a minute. I think your fan's messed up.
Why?
Because I can turn it back.
Oh, frick.
Nope, it's not.
Thank God. Holy fuck!
But if it comes down, it's gonna kill us both. Ooh.
Let me see the bike. The fan just smacked the knife out of his hand. Ew, what do you do? Full speed.
Ooh, with really nasty face.
I wear work boots. What do you? What the fuck?
Tastes like butter. Thank you. I'm all great. I'm all great.
Oh my God!
All great.
Dude, that's not even funny.
Yeah, that's funny. I'm all great.
Good for
I
you.
got a pit vagina.
Oh my God.
I'm just kidding.
It's good for you, Mr. Greg.
Cut left.
This has been a What the Fuck Productions.